Check it out, guys. Fastway kickstand for the KTM, for the Acme Moto, sent from Moto Billet. So Moto Billet is Fastway. They own Fastway, they build Fastway, I guess. And so yeah, it's a Moto Billet kickstand. As you can see, it's all built in. There's no like spring system, so it has its own some kind of internal spring system in there, and then just bolted up. This stock kickstand point and a two. It takes 2 points right there. So hopefully it goes, because I broke my 1 point. It's kind of just not really good. So I'll double up. Hopefully it works well. So let's go install it on the KTM. So here's where the stock kickstand goes over top of this little like setup here, and then there was this second spring for the spring up here. So I'm guessing those are the 2 bolts. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Wow, what a nice piece. All billet, because of course it's from Moto Billet, Fastway. Yeah, it's pretty light, guys. Pretty lightweight. Yeah, it's so cool. Here's 1 bolt. So yeah, it just uses the 1 bolt just like the KTM one, so hopefully I have enough threads. Just bolt it right in, it should be good. It's got a little ring on the front, but yeah. And then I can move it by hand, not with my broken finger. Anyway, just taking out the original mount for my broken kickstand. Yeah, we should be good. No more of that bullshit. I think it's H5. There we go. Blue Loctite. Okay, there you have it. Loctite, billet, and it goes together. Just loose, but there you have it. The kickstand down, kickstand up. Tighten her up. This is going to solve my problem because of how it broke on the old kickstand, which made it impossible to get a new kickstand. There you go. This is awesome. Awesome. All right, all tight. There you have it. Kickstand life. And oh yeah. Oh, it's nice. Look at that. Whoa. So you just go, oh, oh, it's loose. Oh, it loosens up easy. I got to get that real tight. Torque it down. Interesting. But yeah, it has its own little stops. Just torque her down better. There we go. I got a bigger tool, guys. Bigger tool. Okay, guys. Well, I'll have to do some tests on the trail. But that's the installation of the Moto Billet Fastway kickstand on a 2020 KTM XC 300 TPI. And again, boom. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. Nice big foot pad. It's always a problem with stock. This is like almost double the surface area. The stock one is just like that much, half of it in a round circle. This flat foot pad and being lightweight, it's gonna be beautiful, beautiful. Anyways, guys, I'm Marcel Irnie, dirt bike survivor man, and this is the Acme Moto. Cheers. Moto Billet. Freedom fighters, guys. Follow the charter of your constitution. Moto Billet, working great. Fastway, love it. Let's keep moving. Oh yeah, I got a new seat cover. I got the Enduro Engineering grippy seat. So I don't actually use these grips too much, just on my butt, but it's mostly I hang right here with my knees, and it is definitely grippier. All right, now we got that TSP low compression insert second gear. Third gear. Oh, second gear. Yeah, guys, anyways, just did that first hill like I was talking about with the low compression head. You know, I'm just trying to go slow and make it difficult on me. Lots of traction. But Acme Moto doing great, and I got to update. I've got a kickstand now. Right there. The Pro Billet Moto, which is the Fastway branded kickstand. So I used it once so far at the pit, and then we'll go from there. Nice big, we'll show you. Oh, second gear. Woo, lots of power. Don't need to rev it that much. Yeah guys, Dirtbike survivor, man. Oh wow, I'm in terrible shape, but my kickstand is holding my bike up awesome. Look at this, I'll take some photos of it. The Pro Moto Billet kickstand. Zoom in. Just look at the angle, see how it pivots out, pivots back. Real nice. I bet that gives it better directional force into the ground. Or it just gets her, swings up out of the way actually. There, a little photo. You know, it's really nice to have this. It's light, holds the bike up. It's got a fat footprint. The bike's standing up relatively straight right now because the actual tire's in a groove. But my next test will be when it's off camber, like when you're off the flats, and see how it holds up. Right? It's internal sprung, so no more spring bullshit right here. And when I pushed it down with my hand when I was on the bike, all you had to do is go this far and then it snaps down. You don't have to take it all the way like you have the stock one. That's a huge advantage. You know, like the stock one, you got to hold it right to the last bit before it like locks in or it swings back up. So many times if you're boot, you're like, boop, 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 you know. This time you just got to push this one halfway and then boop. I'll show you. Okay, so on the way up, this halfway point right there, boom, right? Whoa. Now on the way down, whoa, you see how it snaps? There you go. Awesome. Okay, I gotta, yeah, well now you're in the way. Yeah, I was gonna go straight to the right of that tree. I hit neutral somehow. Woo! Holy shit, look at your gap. What a fuck. See, when I hopped the dirt there and it was going great until I hit neutral by accident. Oh, really? I hopped the dirt on the right like a jump. Right. It was good until I'll move out of the way. There you go, easy. This is a fun little going down with the sunset, going down along the cliff. Yeah, look at that, guys. This ground is normally pretty soft. Look, I can like, you know, wedge my finger into it pretty good. So that flat foot pad, as you can see it front and back, it's starting to sink a little bit. And even You know, it digs in, it's holding the bike, guys. There it is, look at that lean angle now. Yeah, it's doing well. Good job, Pro Moto Billet. All right, little hill climb action, just riding. I'm getting kind of tired. Oh, it's just super baked. It's rough.